Alright, let's go in. Okay, last bits we have to do on this guy. We need to clean these brows, these ears and that mouth, and he's done. So Jiggy, how's it in, is it Oregon? I think. And then in my own time I'll have to whack out the back and then clean it up. I might ask the bros if they can do the eyes for me. Next minute, pay me. One more. So what we're doing at the moment, whānau, is just trying to take off sections of the piece where it's like dirty, just so you know the stain can get through nice and well. And yeah, so there's no complications. Warzam, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Oh, move along. Move along. Come on. There you go. Because in days of old, some of the first carvings were able to talk. Now the two were written down in our myth, stories and legends. The two were known as Wheri and Whera. Now in the story that I've told many times, and I don't mind sharing it all the time, these two particular carvings could talk. Now obviously if Rua Te Pupuke, who was the first carver of our people, took those two particular carvings, this fella will probably be talking to us right now. But he took the carvings that were outside and brought them back to the surface. So to anyone new, where does Whakairo come from? It comes from our god of the sea. His name is Tangaroa. Now if you want to take it and look at it from another perspective, you take a look at what the sea is doing right now. Obviously carving the land itself. Spanky, yep, this is a commission piece, brother. Yeah, so Wheri and Whera were two particular carvings that could talk within the meeting house Hui Te Anganui. Now that was the name of Tangaroa's wharenui, or ancestral meeting house. It was the first meeting house on the planet too. It's just a little something about him. Ruru's all cleaned up. Alright, Whanau.